Good morning, students. We have completed our 8 chapters, right? The 8th one was the cell. Now the 9th chapter, that is reproduction, right? Reproduction in animals. We have taken it in SEM 1, but in this condition, we cannot do it properly. So we have taken the decision that chapter number 9, it will be taken in SEM 2, second SEM. चैप्टर नंबर 9 जो है रिप्रोडक्शन इन एनिमल्स, वो हम सेकेंड सेम में लेंगे, ओके, ताकि हम उसको स्कूल में अच्छे से पढ़ सकें. सो आई एम टेकिंग चैप्टर नंबर 11, ओके. अभी चैप्टर नंबर 11 पढ़ा रही हूँ मैं. हमारे पास टाइम है तो हम पढ़ सकते हैं. चैप्टर नंबर 9 सेकेंड सेम में आएगा, ओके, क्लियर, ओके. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ चैप्टर नंबर 11 बिकॉज 10 भी ऐसा ही है कि हम स्कूल में इसको अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हैं. So 10 also I am not teaching you now, and we are going with chapter number 11. The syllabus of the exam will be given to you. You don't worry about it, but we can study chapter number 11, that is force and pressure. What do you mean by force? Commonly, in common language, tell me what is force. Force means yes, a pull or a push. या तो आप धक्का दो या तो आप खींचो. It means you are applying force, right? So this is force. Actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, this all comes in force. Where you change something in an object means you are giving force, right? You have learned that objects move. What does the distance moved by an object in a unit time indicate? It will indicate the speed. सेम बॉल है, अगर आप उस पर धीरे से पैर मारोगे थोड़े दूर तक जाएगा और रुक जाएगा. एंड द सेम बॉल if you are kicking it fastly, then the distance covered by ball will be much more. What does it mean? It means that the amount of force applied by you was different, right? है ना? Either you want to move it faster or you want to move it slower. अगर आपको उसको स्लो करना है तो आप देख सकते हैं जैसे फील्डर्स है वो बॉल को पकड़ लेते हैं सो दैट इट कैन नॉट रीच द बाउंड्री. दैट मीन्स कि वो बॉल की रिवर्स में फोर्स दे रहे हैं, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, टू स्लो इट डाउन. इफ यू वांट टू move the object fast, you need to give the force in the same direction. So that is force, a pull or a push. Now the homework is you read it once, okay? Chapter number 11, in that 11.1 and 11.2, okay? 11.2, what is it? It is forces are due to an interaction. Just read 2-3 pages of this lesson and we will continue it in the next video. यही सिर्फ याद रखना कि चैप्टर नंबर 9 है उसको हम सेकेंड सेम में लेंगे, Okay, our chapter number 9 will be taken in the second semester. Okay, thank you.